Riding season's back.
What up, guys? Danny and Cody here from life.atv. As you can see here, we got the Yamaha Raptor 700 with the Dace exhaust, and we got the Honda TRX with the White Brothers exhaust, and we're gonna go rip.
Trails are finally opened up. Finally got a nice day.
It's like 60 in Minnesota right now, so we're gonna rip. And before you guys say anything, this is our property, so we are technically obeying the quarantine.
That is true.
Well, you know, this ain't public trails, this is ours, so we're not breaking any rules, just in case anyone was mad at that. But trails are finally good enough. We're gonna go on the first trail ride of 2020.
Excited, let's go do it.
All right, see you guys then.
measured your helmet.
I did? Alright, hey, we'll pick it up on the way. I'm not too worried about it.
Okay.
Hey guys, that'll do it for today's video.
Hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah, first impressions of the Dace exhaust on the trails. This thing is wicked. It comes up almost way too easy. Like, dude, when we were going across the bridge,
Yeah.
I popped it. Right off the bat, I popped it. I said, I gotta be more fucking careful.
And when we went battled these, that was pretty close, man.
Yeah,
That was really
if you guys don't know, obviously this got more cc's to work with the 700, but engine stock, it's got the power commander with the Dace exhaust. This one has the White Brothers exhaust, and it also has a stage 2 hot cam in it. So thing's definitely pretty wicked itself.
Oh yeah.
Pretty fast for a 450.
That Dace exhaust really woke that quad up though.
Yeah, and you know what? You can't see it. It really doesn't do it justice, but the look of it is awesome. But you know, this one definitely doesn't look as nice, but I still love the White Brothers, man. The White Brothers are sick.
Sound is perfect.
But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We're gonna try to pump out more videos, you know, this year. So as
Hopefully,
always,
after all this whole quarantine stuff is over,
go on some trips and stuff.
yeah, things get go back to normal with everyone. So,
Well, as always, remember to subscribe, like, comment. We'll see you in the next one.